The Sukhoi Su-30 with NATO reporting name Flanker is a twin-engine, two-seat supermaneuverable fighter aircraft developed in the Soviet Union by Russia's Sukhoi Aviation Corporation. It is a multirole fighter for all-weather, air-to-air and air interdiction missions. The Su-30 started as an internal development project in the Sukhoi Su-27 family by Sukhoi. From the Su-27UB two-seat trainer, the Su-27PU heavy interceptor was developed. The design plan was revamped and the Su-27PU was renamed to Su-30 by the Russian Defense Ministry in 1996. It is a fighter with both air supremacy and attack capabilities, generally similar to the US F-15E Strike Eagle. While the original Su-27 had good range, it still did not have enough range for the Soviet Air Defense Forces. The Air Defense Forces needed to cover the vast expanse of the Soviet Union. Hence, development began in 1986 on the Su-27PU, an improved capabilities variant of the Su-27 capable of serving as a long-range interceptor or airborne command post. The two-seat Su-27UB combat trainer was selected as the basis for the Su-27PU because it had the performance of a single-seat Su-27 with seating for two crew members. A proof of concept demonstrator flew 6 June 1987, and this success led to the kickoff of development work on two Su-27PU prototypes. The first Su-27PU flew at Irkut on 31 December 1989. The first of three pre-production models flew on 14 April 1992. The Su-30 is a multirole fighter. It has a two-seat cockpit with an air brake behind the canopy. It can serve as an air-superiority fighter and as a strike fighter. Flight characteristics. The integrated aerodynamic configuration, combined with the thrust vectoring control ability, results in high maneuverability and unique takeoff and landing characteristics. Equipped with a digital fly-by-wire system, the Su-30 is able to perform some very advanced maneuvers, including the Pugachev's Cobra and the tail slide. These maneuvers quickly decelerate the aircraft, causing a pursuing fighter to overshoot, as well as breaking a Doppler rider lock as the relative speed of the aircraft drops below the threshold where the signal registers to the radar. Some variants of the Su-30, notably the Su-30MKI and its derivatives including the Su-30MKM and Su-30SM, are fitted with the canards to enhance maneuverability and also compensate for the heavier N011M bars radar and mission systems in the nose. The canards and the reshaped LERX held control for the vortices and increased the angle of attack limits of the airframe, but they also add drag and reduce the maximum speed of Mach 1.75. Power plant. As with the baseline Su-27, the Su-30's power plant incorporates two Saturn AL-31F afterburning low bypass turbofan engines, fed through intake ramps. Two AL-31F each rated at 122.6 kN of fuel afterburning thrust for speeds up to Mach 2 in level flight and 1350 km per hour speed at low altitude for non-canard variants. Canted thrust vectoring is used in some variants to enhance maneuverability. With a normal fuel reserve of 5,270 kg, the Su-30 is capable of performing a 4.5-hour combat mission with a range of 3,000 km. An aerial refueling system increases the range to 5,200 km, or flight duration up to 10 hours at cruise altitude. Avionics. The aircraft features autopilot ability at all flight stages, including low altitude flight in terrain following radar mode, and individual and group combat employment against air and ground sea surface targets. Automatic control system interconnected with the navigation system ensures route flight, target approach, recovery to airfield, and landing approach in automatic mode. Irkut traditionally served the Soviet air defense, and the earliest of Langer development was given the responsibility of manufacturing the Su-27, the two-seat trainer version. When India showed interest in the Su-30, Irkut offered the multirole Su-30 MKI, which originated as the Su-27 modified with avionics appropriate for fighters. Aligned with its ground attack capabilities, the series adds features for the air superiority role, such as canards, thrust vectoring, and the long-range phased array radar. Its derivatives include the Su-30 MKM, MKA, and SM for Malaysia, Algeria, and Russia respectively. The Russian aerospace forces operate several Su-30 and has ordered the Su-30 SM variant as well. In general, Sukhoi Su-30 is a good fighter, but with Russian equipment and weapons, it cannot show its full potential. This video is over. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking, subscribing, and leaving comments. Hope to see you in the next video.